Hello guys, welcome back to the another new video. So in this video I'm gonna show to you how to connect the Google AdSense to your WordPress website. So first of all I'm going to view my textoftreview.com. This is my WordPress admin panel. So I just keep in my Google AdSense account content pub ID. Pub, that means pub, okay, pub. So here is my textoftreview.com website. So it's now getting to be ready for show ads on your website. So this is the AdSense code snippet. So first of all you have to go to your verify your WordPress website. Then this is the three step. You just follow code snippet. Here is your code AdSense. From here you just copy this from here, okay. So if do you wrong with your copy paste, then just go to this button, copy and paste, okay. Then if you think that it's need to then actually verify to your Laravel, then ads.txt snippet is best for you. Then you can go to your meta tag to get you ready to show ads, copy and paste HTML tag meta tag between meta tag, this is the meta tag between head slash, then between the head and tag, okay, head starting and ending, and copy and paste from your go to your website again. This is your website, and copy this and paste it here, okay. But if you already copy and paste, but go to your website and verify this code, I think it won't be verified for your website. Like I just delete this site, okay. I delete it, then you can understand it, okay, very well, because ads.txt is not verified to author. Like go to your website and copy URL from here, and don't miss this one, okay. don't uh, don't use and don't miss this slash, okay. You just go to your direct URL link from here, then go to website, and here this is your domain. You can save it, then you will understand actually, otherwise you don't understand this situation. Then copy and paste. You can go to your website again and here paste it, okay. Then now you can save first of all updated file. Okay, so in the meantime, you have to you if you run your WordPress website, then you can go to appearance, then go to your theme file editor, then header.php, then you can paste this code from here. Okay, this is very simple, guys. So now you can again you can go to your panel and verify it's working or not. Okay, your site is verified, okay. So it's already verified, but in the here you just review and request, then you can show that actually what's the happening with your website. So now it's text of the review getting ready, but ads.txt is not found from here, okay. That's why I'm making this video for only for region, okay. Lots of tutorial they don't explain their um, meta tag ID. From here you can use this slash one, okay. Now you can go to use, or you can use the meta tag or not, it depends to your website. Like verify then update it, okay. Then now again refresh it. I don't know, not it's not authorized website, because this is actually when it will authorized, you will show that you're getting ready, then they will check, then it will be updated or found or authorized. I think that this is the solution. Okay guys, so in this tutorial, if you like my video, I hope and I think that you will subscribe my channel and share with your family and friends. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, see you soon in the next video.